What is up, guys? Welcome back to Streamline Builds. Today I'm excited to finally have the Supra back on the ground. Did all the boring stuff without you. Filled up the transmission with some gear oil, put the new clutch slave cylinder on, bled the clutch, it's all working. Fixed the flat tire, got that back on, and did a whole bunch of cleanup on the interior. I'll show you that right now. Welcome to my office. Can actually get some work done in here now. It's nice and clean, tidy, not a bunch of junk and garbage and rat turds infesting everything. We went ahead and painted all this center console or dash surround space back to black. I got this new shift boot surround installed. Also ordered a fancy cup holder from like New Zealand or Australia for that. And new steering wheel is not here yet, but if I can unlock this thing, and it used to not be locked. There we go. Okay. But next, go out and check out the engine compartment. We were cleaning up the door panels, hoping to throw those in soon as well. Luckily there's nothing missing. Got all the window switches and all that, so let's move out front. Yep, I was checking out the oil. It's a little low, but I think we're just gonna send it, see if we can get this thing to start. I have no idea what the deal is with any of this like E85 stuff and what you're supposed to do with any of that to get this to run, so I'm really hoping it'll just run, but I guess we'll find out. We're gonna hook the battery back up, turn the key on, and see if we get fuel, see if it'll start. Alright, our engine controller's fired up. I haven't seen that on before, and it's fuel pump is just like running continuously, so I've had plenty of cars run like that as well. Hopefully that's the way they planned it. It says we have like a 1/16 of a tank of gas. Who knows if it's E85, if it's junk, if it's varnish. I could not tell you. I have no sense of smell, but we're in neutral. Let's hope it works. See what happens. Oh, nothing. Oh, no. Why? You gotta be kidding me. Come on, are you gonna run? At least she's cranking. So I might have to find out if we have fuel or spark. Just checking if we got fuel. Popping these fuel lines off real quick. Alright, well, I just popped this off and some fuel came out. I'm going to turn the key on. If you want to just check and see if we got how much fuel come out. You probably don't want to stand right in front of it because it gets sprayed. Three, two, one.
Yes, stop. V-band off. Sounds like a freaking tractor, but it's running.
some injectors were dirty, or maybe the plugs are dirty. I don't know, but I'm surprised it's actually running. We're doing like the tack matches that gauge, so that's cool. I guess I'm giving it a little throttle. I don't know. I have that intake pipe off, so it might be like getting too much airflow, but hey, it runs! Woo! Okay, well, I did realize I had seen this before. This boost controller, the vacuum line is gone, so I need to get something on there, and that might get rid of a vacuum leak for us. Probably run a little better. And then I also went ahead and put our clamp back on here, so we'll try this again.
Getting in a little workout while we charge the battery.
Come on, big dog. Running really good. We thought it was putting too much fuel with the